So I've been wanting to do this recipe now for about 2 or 3 weeks, and I feel like the universe has just been telling me I need to wait until it's almost October. So it's almost October, and the stores, after going to 2, I finally found one that had pumpkin puree. So as a result, I'm going to be showing you how to make my gluten-free, dairy-free pumpkin banana strudel bread. So pretty much what I've done here already is I've gone down to the nitty-gritty, and I doubled the recipe. So for the wet ingredients, it is 1 cup pumpkin puree, 2 ripened bananas, 6 eggs, 2/3 cup coconut oil, 2 2/3 cups almond milk, 4 teaspoons vanilla, and then 2 cups of brown sugar. And as you guys know, I don't use regular table sugar in my house, so it is stevia brown sugar. So I mix that up in one bowl, and then in another bowl, I put together the dry ingredients, which were 4 cups of gluten-free baking flour, 2 cups of baking powder, or not 2 cups, sorry, 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 2 teaspoons pumpkin pie spice, and half a teaspoon sea salt. So I did that in 2 separate bowls, combined the 2, mixed them up, and divided them into these bad boys here. So now the fun part is the topping. So that was right here. I've already mixed it together. A cup of gluten-free baking flour, a ½ cup brown sugar, again the stevia, then a ½ cup of chopped walnuts, but since I didn't have walnuts, we used pecans, which I think are going to be just as good, if not better. And then 2 teaspoons cinnamon, and 2 1/3 cups dairy-free butter. So we almost had 2/3 cup of dairy-free butter. So I was like just shy by a little bit. So what I ended up doing is adding a little bit of coconut oil into it. And then I mixed that all up, and this is the result. So while I was doing all of this, I had my oven at 350. So now what I'm gonna do is take this mixture that I've done, and I'm gonna crumble it on top between the 2. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could smell this. It's heaven. And you want the actual bread mixture to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before you put on the topping. So I had that going on while I was creating the topping. Okay. So now that that's done. Okay, so I put everything in the oven at 350 for about 35 minutes. Then I took the 2 bread loaf pans out and covered them in tin foil and put them back in for another 20 minutes. So now they're done and they're gonna cool, and I cannot wait to try this recipe out. So I hope you enjoy it and have a great day. Bye.